IAM is a feature that allows you to create users and assign them specific rights for OVHcloud products and services. Let's look at how to set up this feature. Take Pauline, for example. She has just set up a business and subscribes to 2 servers at OVHcloud. She hires her first freelancer, Alfredo, to help create a product. However, she does not want him to have access to the production server. Pauline is able to give Alfredo reduced access, allowing him to access only the marketing server. Alfredo is an identity, the marketing server is a resource, and managing the server is an action. She will first create an identifier for Alfredo, then go to the IAM interface to associate this identifier with the resource and define the actions that he will be authorized to perform. Alfredo went on to become a full member of the team and his access was extended to production. Pauline also hired several people to manage the purchases and continue developing the product. Like Alfredo, she will therefore define her access policy according to the different resources that make up her OVHcloud environment. Pauline now has a team of 20 people and has set up a company directory where her employees are registered. IAM enables the connection between this directory and the OVHcloud account. This will enable it to associate users with groups, which in turn are associated with resources and actions. For example, you can group a range of employee rights into a single action, or you can remove all employee rights when an employee leaves the company. In conclusion, IAM is a tool that allows you to create and assign the actions that can be carried out by individuals or teams on your customer space. Identity Federation makes it easy to manage your users and enables the use of a unique ID that connects to all of your OVHcloud services. And finally, if you would like more information on IAM, please visit our online documentation pages.